Welcome back to my channel. Constant dandruff, scalp itching, or redness isn't just a cosmetic issue. It may signal psoriasis, eczema, or seborrheic dermatitis, three conditions that silently weaken hair follicles and double the rate of hair loss. Today, you'll discover dermatologist-recommended natural treatments that calm inflammation, restore the scalp barrier, and encourage healthy regrowth, all backed by current dermatology research. Scalp psoriasis. What it is and why it happens. Autoimmune condition where skin cells multiply up to 10 times faster than normal. Triggers: genetics, immune dysfunction, stress, certain medications. Signs: thick silvery scales, red raised plaques, occasional bleeding. Dermatologist-recommended natural care. Aloe Vera plus niacinamide gel, calms plaques and rebuilds the lipid barrier. Turmeric and black seed oil serum, curcumin and thymoquinone lower autoimmune inflammation. Vitamin D optimization. Low vitamin D strongly correlates with psoriasis flare-ups. Use lukewarm water only, hot water worsens scaling. Scalp eczema, atopic dermatitis. What it is and why it happens. An overreactive immune system plus a weak skin barrier. Triggers: seasonal allergies, harsh shampoos, sudden weather shifts. Signs: intense itching, dry patches, tiny oozing blisters. Dermatologist-recommended natural care. Colloidal oatmeal rinse, beta-glucans reduce inflammatory cytokines. Cold-pressed coconut oil massage, lauric acid repairs the lipid layer. Stress control, daily breathing or mindfulness lowers cortisol and flare frequency. Seborrheic dermatitis. What it is and why it happens. A chronic yeast, malassezia, overgrowth combined with excess sebum. Triggers: genetics, stress, immune changes, cold weather. Signs: greasy yellow flakes and stubborn dandruff-like itching. Dermatologist-recommended natural care. Apple cider vinegar rinse, 1 to 4 water, restores pH and limits yeast. Zinc-rich diet and zinc pyrithione spray, zinc slows fungal growth and speeds healing. Gentle, sulfate-free cleansing, controls oil without stripping natural moisture. Why these conditions trigger hair loss. Inflamed scalp tissue releases cytokines that shorten the hair growth phase and push follicles into premature shedding. Heavy flakes and scabs also suffocate follicles, limiting oxygen and nutrients. Long-term inflammation can even shrink follicles permanently if left untreated. Core principles of natural healing. Dermatologists highlight 3 pillars for every scalp condition: reduce inflammation, calm the immune system, repair the skin barrier, restore protective lipids to hold moisture, support the microbiome, balance yeast and bacteria to prevent future flare-ups. Universal support tips. Keep nails short to avoid infection from scratching. Wash pillowcases, hats, and hair tools weekly. Track flare patterns with photos to identify food, product, or weather triggers. Lifestyle adjustments backed by research. Stress management. Yoga or 10-minute breathing lowers cortisol spikes that worsen psoriasis and eczema. Balanced nutrition. Adequate omega-3 fats and zinc reduce inflammation. Vitamin D maintenance. Correct deficiency under medical guidance for healthier immune response. Regular gentle cleansing. Sulfate-free shampoos keep the barrier intact. When to see a dermatologist. Seek professional care if you notice painful cracks or bleeding. Rapid, widespread hair thinning. Signs of infection such as pus or fever. A board-certified dermatologist can combine these natural methods with prescription therapies like topical steroids or biologics for faster, safer relief. Scalp psoriasis, eczema, and seborrheic dermatitis each demand targeted care, but these dermatologist-recommended natural strategies can calm inflammation, strengthen hair follicles, and protect your hair. Follow them consistently for at least 4 weeks and document your progress. Subscribe now for more dermatologist-backed hair science you can trust. Thank you for watching.